Welcome once again to Ultimate ICT Hub. This iPhone 11 phone was short, and then when I tested with the DC power supply, what it was giving me was 0.5150. Sorry, 0.157. So I traced the VBus line, and I checked the PPVDD main line, and I found that it was not supplying the right current. So which I knew that the PMIC must have there must be a short around the PMIC, which is a capacitor short, which I actually replaced. And then after testing it, I wanted to just test it so you could see if it's going to turn on or not. Well, with the DC power supply, it actually gave a good reading, which was 0.5. So I decided to let me put it in a housing to test normally, which resolved the issue. So just see what it's going to be showing us. Let's see. Just take time to see. Well, some persons will think it's the Trista, the U2 IC. No, that's not it. That's the charger nest. It's not. Sometimes many things can cause this thing. The sandwich board can be disconnected, the secondary line short or whatever, but this one is just the PP VDD main line. So let's see with the same DC power supply. Let's see what it's going to give us if it to turn on or not. You need to be very careful while trying to test this. So let's see. See, it's booting. All right, let's see. You have to be patient. Okay, I think it's going to turn on now. Good. Just turned on. You can see. Don't forget to like and share this video. The phone turned on. So when it turned on, it booted for some time, and after booting it went off. I think it was kind of shaking or something. So let's confirm with the battery, which it on, but it went off again. So you can see, I notice it went off again. So I put it on again to see. Or it's booting normally. It's a proof that it's a sign that it's working already. So what do I need to do? I need to plug a charger. Then it's started charging. Then I left it to charge a bit for it to turn on. You can see it's turning on now. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and share. God bless you. The solution to this was just a shorted capacitor around the PMIC, which was replaced. Thank you very much.